How the tables in database are related. Now I already have this one table employee in my database MyDB, and I'll just print the records of this table to show you how the table looks like. The table constitutes of the employee ID, the employee name, and the department ID. So similarly, I will make another table for department. I'll uncomment this first, and which is in place of insert, I will write create table, and I write department, and then I write the column names. So column name, the columns will be department ID, it will be integer, and now I'll put the department name and text. Now I'll just write cursor.execute queue. Then I'll make a query q1, and here q1, and I'll insert into the department table all the values that I want to insert. So for that I write department ID comma department name, insert into department ID, department name, values, and then question mark comma question mark. So there are two empty places, so I'll write question mark, that many question marks. So now I'll write cursor.execute q1, and in the bracket the values I want to fill in place of the question marks. So I've given all these department values, and I forgot to write them as q1. Now I'll uncomment this and write select star from department, and let's run this. So my table is already created, but I have not inserted value in it. So I'll just comment out that part, and now I'll just do the operation of insert into table, and now you can see all these values are in my department table. Now to relate the employee table with the department table, I'll use something called as the inner join. So for that we query the database by writing select star from employee inner join department on department on employee dot department ID is equal to department dot department ID. Now I'll execute this query. So I write cursor.execute q1, and I'll write result is equal to cursor.fetch all, and for I in result print I. Oh, I wrote the wrong department name. Department. So department, and now you can see all the columns from all the rows from the employee table have been related to all the rows in the department table. So to arrange it better, I will just to show you the difference between all the three tables, I'll just write other two queries to display the employee and the department tables. And now you can see this. It does not look really neat, so I'll just display it in a more pretty way. So write join tables, and then I'll write over here employee table, make some space over here, slash in, and we write the department table. And now you can see it looks much better. You can see all the three tables and how they differ from each other. So this is how tables are related in Python using SQLite.